Okay, viewer, here's a nuevo tour of mi nuevo apartamento en el Poblado Medellín. Es muy cerca de Provenza. It means close to Provenza en el Poblado. Now you know. VagaBondVito. If you want to know how I'm able to travel the world and run my business remotely, earning thousands of dollars every single week, only working 1 to 3 hours a day, hit the link in my bio or go to bigticketbiz.com and check out the video explaining exactly how I got started. Okay, Medellin, I think I might be off to Guatape. See you in the next one. VagaBondVito.